Good morning, students. I'm Jayaprakash Mittal. I will discuss with you second chapter of class 10th economics, sectors of the Indian economy. Economy means a system through which people earn their livelihood. We are talking about Indian economy. We know very well Indian economy is a mixed economy where private sector and public sector coexist, and we divide economy in different way. Here we see this is what's in sectors of Indian economy. Basically, economy is best understood when you study its components or sectors. There are three types of classification of Indian economy. That is, one is primary, secondary, and tertiary. Second one is organized and unorganized, and third one is public sector and private sector. We will study each one by one. Try to relate the topic to your daily life for better understanding of this chapter. In these notes, you will also get familiarized with a few fundamental concepts such as GDP, employment, etc. GDP means what? Gross domestic product. Gross domestic product means value of final goods and services. Which value? Market value. Market value of final goods and services produced in a domestic territory of a country. That is called GDP. That is called gross domestic product. If we take the market value of final goods and services which is produced in boundary of a country, this is layman language, but we can call it domestic territory of a country, that is called gross domestic product. Economic activities are classified into groups using some important criteria. These groups known as sectors of Indian economy. Sectors of an economy: people around us are engaged in different activities to earn livelihood. Some may be producing goods while other may be delivering services. So here, with the help of this picture, we see that the farmer, we are going to see there is another one where the girls are ladies, there are some ladies which are doing shopping, and here there is postmaster which is distributing letters. There is coolie who has luggage, and there are some construction kind of where some laborers are working. So these are the different activities which are undertaken by different people. So here, on the basis that we classify the activities into three sectors, that may be primary, secondary, or tertiary. Sectors of economic activities means sector defines a large segment of the economy in which business share the same or a related product or service. Means a large segment. Suppose so many people are working in agriculture, that is called agriculture sector. The second, suppose so many people are engaged in manufacturing, that is called manufacturing sector. If so many people are there which are engaged in service sector, that is called tertiary sector or service sector. This means that. Now, classification on the basis of nature of activities. Sectors of Indian economy: primary, secondary, and tertiary. Primary sector, we call it agriculture and related sector. When a good is produced by exploiting, extraction, and collection of natural resources, it is known as the primary sector. This sector is also called agriculture and related sector or allied sector, because most of the natural products we get from agriculture. For example, suppose farming, dairy, forestry, hunting, fishing, and mining. These are related to agriculture sector, and this is called primary because this is of the primary importance. The economic activities which are connected with the extraction or and production of natural resources, for example agriculture, fishing, mining, that falls under primary sector. Here you will see in the first left side of this one picture, mining is there. Some laborers are working on mining for coal. and this is what related to agriculture both, and the third one is related, fourth one is right side, that is for dairy farming, one is going to milk the cow. Let's take an example of cotton cultivation. We mainly but not entirely depend upon natural factors like rainfall, sunshine, and climate. Here, cotton is a natural product. For activity like dairying, we are dependent upon biological process of the animal, but simultaneously we also depend availability of fodder also. Here, milk is a natural product. This is primary because it forms the base for all other products that we subsequently make. Suppose we have cotton that is converted into yarn by spinning, and then we convert into cloth. For the to get cloth, what we need basically cotton. So that is called, it forms the base of for all other products that we subsequently make. The second sector is our secondary sector, we call it industrial sector, or we call it manufacturing sector. Manufacturing sector, secondary sector, the economic activities which are related to the manufacturing process. For example, manufacturing of steel falls under secondary sector. Manufacturing, that may be automobile, that may be electronic or electrical items, steel industry, or other constructions, and all these are under manufacturing, or this is under secondary sector. Here you will see some ladies are there which are showing the clothes, one is working on this one, and some are cooking kind of, they are making sweets. Covers activities in which natural products are changed into, converted into other forms through ways of manufacturing. It is called industrial sector. It is the next step after primary. Some manufacturing processes are required here. For example, using cotton fiber from the plant, we spin yarn. What we do, we take cotton from the plant, then we spin, make yarn, and weave clothes. Using sugar cane as raw material, we make sugar or gur. Sugar cane converted into sugar, cotton converted into first yarn, then cloth. This is what a secondary sector. Then tertiary sector, or we call it service sector. The economic activities that are mostly based on providing services to the society, like transportation, banking, insurance, etc., falls under tertiary sector. Here you will see the first one is here, like it shows like a bank, then bus shows transportation, and one is the suppose call center, and all others includes activities that help in the development of primary and secondary sector. These activities by themselves don't produce a good, but they are an aid or support for the production process. It is also called the service sector. Example, teachers, doctors, postmen, barbers, cobblers, lawyers, call centers, software companies, etc. See here. Here, suppose we produce a good, we produce wheat, and that wheat from we want to transport from Punjab or Haryana to Mumbai. If we don't have transportation facility, how can we manage that? Naturally, we need transportation. To make for transportation, we need vehicles, so we'll have to manufacture that one. We need transportation. In addition to transportation, we need communication also. We need banking sector also, insurance sector also. So simultaneously, we need so many sectors, so many things. I mean, here all these activities are under tertiary sector. These are helpful, or these are aid to primary and secondary sector basically. That's why we call it tertiary sector or service sector, and that helps a lot to primary and secondary sector. So guys, in this video we have discussed one, what is economy, then what we did, what are the three bases through which we want to categorize the Indian economy, that is primary, secondary, tertiary sector. One base, the second one is organized and unorganized, and the third one is public and private. We have done the first one. We will do next two in next videos. So, and then we discuss in detail what is primary sector and example, secondary and example, and third tertiary and its examples. So guys, please watch the video, like it, subscribe the channel so that you can find the new videos. So thank you all of you guys, thank you.